education, not fluoridation, to fight tooth decay and obesity. We need to get dentistry out of the public water supply and back into the dental office or the dental clinic where it belongs. It is time to end fluoridation in Curacao. Okay, I have just a little bit more, just a wee bit more. But thank you anyway. So I just wanted to show you that we have had some remarkable successes over the last few years. Since 2008, over 130 communities in Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and the United States have stopped fluoridation. Over 4 million people have been liberated from this wretched practice. On May the 21st last year, Portland, Oregon voted 61% to 39% to reject fluoridation despite being outspent 3-1. And listen to this, the proponents of this measure spent over $1 million to get Portland fluoridated. They even gave several community groups $20,000 just to get them to say, we want fluoridation. Could you imagine that these local groups, they weren't asked to do anything. Not even canvas. Just put your name on this bit of paper. Here's a check for $20,000. This is disgusting. But money buys anything in the United States. In November 2012, no, I'm sure not. In 2012, Queensland lifted mandatory requirement. You wouldn't believe what happened. It was like opening the floodgates. We've now had nearly 50 communities have stopped fluoridation since they stopped the mandatory requirement. And then last year in April, the new Minister of Health in Israel announced the lifting of the mandatory requirement for fluoridation in Israel. That was a very, very significant event. And hopefully Ireland will follow soon. Ireland also has mandatory fluoridation. And as far as resources are concerned, please use our website, fluoridealert.org. It's a goldmine of accurate information, and it's not all propaganda as they try to maintain. It's not. This book, this review is available free online, the National Research Council review. If you put in National Research Council 2006 and fluoride, you'll get this document online. Our book is available, and it is the Bible. I mean, for us it's the Bible, but it lays out the arguments very, very clearly. And we've also got a 29-minute DVD called Professional Perspectives on Fluoridation, where 15 scientists from around the world, including Nobel Prize winners and members of the US EPA and members of that National Research Council review team, explain why, in simple language, why fluoridation is a bad idea. And my son has also made recently this 20-minute DVD called 10 Facts on Fluoride, plus a booklet. So you can make copies of this, you can download it from the internet. It's only 20 minutes long, and you've got a booklet to go with it. It's a great educational tool. But from what I've seen, I think you've got some really good educational tools already on this island. So I don't think you're going to be short of education. And that's it. Now you can stand up and applaud. Please sit down now, but I think it would be very useful for the TV cameras. Please put up your hand if you want to see fluoridation stopped in Curacao. Can the cameras just look at those hands, please? Just look at it. Okay. And put up your hand if you want to see fluoridation continue in Curacao. I think some people are sensibly sitting on the fence at this point.